Sabrina's doing homework.
At 4:06 in the morning. I just want to talk about one thing. Motivation. I have a really hard time with motivation, and I just would like you guys to help me out and leave me some suggestions on how I can get myself motivated for the day or to do something I don't want to do, like schoolwork. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I feel sick. Last night we were filming a new episode series that we made up called Just In Case. Where should we put the series? Should we put it on my channel? Should we put it on TeraBrite Productions? I mean, we don't want to put it on TeraBrite's channel because
It's for music.
it's for music, yeah. And this is like some comedy thing, I don't know. But we can put it on TeraBrite Productions, which is pretty much our business we want to start. And but there's barely any subscribers on there. You guys are gonna have to go subscribe to it.
But it's mainly you, so we can put it on your channel too, so.
Or yeah, it could be on my channel or it could be TeraBrite Productions, because I wouldn't have that video if it weren't for DJ. And my channel is not about DJ. Let me know what you think I should do. Go subscribe to our channel. Go subscribe to TeraBrite Productions, just in case we decide to put it on there, so you can see when we put it up. Hey guys. Hey, what you looking at? Oh shit. Oh my god. Dude. He's gonna attack me. Dude, oh my god. Okay. You're freaking me out. Those birds were so crazy. We left class early. Usually we leave when it's nighttime. But we have a lot of other homework to do, so. Now we've decided to go invade my family. And we're almost there, and I don't know if they're coming. Or, I mean, this should be interesting. Oh, look at the pretty sun! Whoa! Oh, that's. Oh my god! That's your windshield! At first I thought that was the sky.
Thought it was the sky?
The sky!
What guy?
The sky!
Oh, the sky.
I went like this and I was like, what's wrong with the sky? I'd like to introduce you to my dog. Hi, Spencer. Hi, Spencer. Hi, Spencer. Hi, Spencer. Come here. Come on, Spencer. Hi, Spencer. Hi, Spencer. He's scared of electronics. Come on, Spencer. Spencer, roll over. Good boy. Roll over. Good boy. You're so good. You're such a good boy. Say hi, YouTube. Hi. What are you doing, DJ?
Playing Halo.
Batman.
You're Batman?
Yes.
What does Batman do?
He kills bad people. Bad guys.
It's too mean if you.
What'd you do at school today?
Huh?
Sorry, DJ.
Oh, I did Life Day by Miss Kisa, and I did in Miss Jennifer's class.
What?
And Miss Gina's. Miss Gina's. And Miss Gina's.
Okay.
Class. I know it sounds like a
Whoa.
Use his arms to.
Hi, Sarah. Hi.
Hi.
What'd you do today?
Went to school.
How was school?
Lame. What?
What are you doing?
Imaginary iPod. Mine died. When I told you, you didn't even bother to smile. When I tried to be there, you pushed me away.
Soon you can check out her songs. She has two. We're gonna put them up on somewhere for you guys to see. Alright, I'm gonna go edit this vlog, then we're gonna do some schoolwork and work on the just in case episode, and when it's done I'll put it in the description bar, so just keep coming back and checking because it's gonna be done pretty soon. You should be excited.
We'll put it in there just in case.
When I told you, you didn't even bother to smile. When I tried to
I leaned over.
His hand.